All right, welcome to MSR Cresson. We are here for a 3-day track weekend in a Miata. So while all right, we're back. Keys help. All right, so as I was saying, we're here at MSR Cresson for a weekend, having some fun. This is my buddy's Miata, NA Miata, stock motor. We put some RE71Rs on it and some coilovers, nothing fancy, just some street track coilovers. So this is the slowest I've probably ever gone at this track. The Mustang is, I was doing like 120, 121, somewhere in there. The last time I was here in the Honey Badger, we're not anywhere near that. But it should be fun. This is such a fun car to drive on the racetrack. It's so nimble, it's so easy, and it allows you to play with tire limits very safely because the total amount of time you have to make adjustments and stuff is very wide compared to the Mustang. So let's head out on track and see what we can do. so we can see these two are hot, this is not hot. So this needs more camber, and it's likely overinflated. This is probably over cambered. 180. No, overinflated for sure. Otherwise, a little over cambered and a little overinflated. $175-ish. 175-ish. There we go, 150-ish. So a little over cambered in the rear and overinflated. Right? Let's see, let's check again. 165. Yeah, we're overinflated in both rears. Okay, good to know. Well, that was fun. I'll tell you one thing, running a 133, 132 predicted one time, and seeing spec Miata guys run 125, that's pretty impressive. Man, I need to get some coaching for this Miata. I'll have to reach out to Racers 360, because there's no way I'm gonna get there on my own. All right, heading out onto the 3-1 today just to gather some data laps. So this weekend I haven't been driving a whole lot because I've been instructing so much, but I've been trying to get some data laps for all the various configurations we've run, so when we come back we can make changes and see how we're doing and all that kind of stuff. So let's head out and try to grab a couple data laps with the intermediate group.
was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I almost broke it.
Really?
I money shifted.
Did you?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I tried to go from third to fourth too quick, and it went into second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Annoying, right?
And then I almost did it again.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I feel good about it. So this is the all-wheel drive line I like. Come in a little tight, go, and then like this, and brake tap. It's a little different for me because of the regen, but you know, the idea works. And then through here, I go way wide and make this one sweep.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
Nice and smooth. And here, we're way wide again. Way late turning. And then see how you get right back on power? There's that rear rotation I wanted.
You gotta work for it, I guess.
Yep.